Welcome, guys, and thanks for being here. Another day. Today we got some news, some important news. And the last one was, let me see. The last one was this candle, this spike here. Now we got this one. So we already got the confirmation for the sell zone, but they're waiting at least 46.23 for open that sell. So let's expect something good. Mm. Let's see what happened yesterday in Tokyo session. At least we did a full take profit, 144 pips in positive. So that was beautiful. That was great. That was really, really nice. That was really nice. Marcel is here. Top Dog is here. Lewis is here. Mm, just smart. Many people. That's nice. So let's be ready. Going to start the day with a sell zone. It already confirmed the position. Let's see what happened here. Just I'm waiting little consolidation again. Near to the point. So let's see if we got something. Let's wait. Thanks God we have a retracement again. So that's nice. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, well, we are into this process. I don't like these candles, to be honest. Full of spikes for both sides. Well, well, guys, remember if you want to work with a prop firm, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see what is the best options for the prop firms. The most trustable prop firms are listed there. So if you want to get really good information or see what is the best option for start a challenge, just go into the link. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat. So make me a favor, just click into the link, see all the information and choose one according your preference, guys. So there is the link. Invite you to just go there. With gold, still waiting. I think I'm going to start the day with Nasdaq, to be honest. Again with Nasdaq. Or not. Probably not. But it's falling with no stop. No, I'm not going to start with Nasdaq. I did a hard reaction. Nasdaq is nice. This week is nice. Really good. Really good. But it's now, and I was trying to open a long position, but it's breaking my son for the long positions. So that's not good, of course, for my intentions. So for that reason, I am applying to for the long at this moment. Gracious over excuses. So it's falling. Well, for gold. So well, let's wait. This 1 hour candle ends. I think that is the best idea. What we can do right now. Not too much to do. We're into the I think yesterday we opened the trade here. At this point. This is the lower prices for Tokyo. So if buyers lose this point, we will see again 45.85. So let's see, guys. Unfortunately, the point what I want to use was here in 46.23. But as you can see, the confirmation was so deep, more than 100 pips. Then the retracement wasn't enough. So well, the ones who are asking the time, just active the notifications. It's easy to receive the notifications by YouTube. Turn on the notifications and you will receive the when I'm going to start the live. Okay. Nothing to do here. Let's wait the. Let's wait the. 'Kay. I'm going to retest those points. Nothing there. Okay. Here's our Selson. 14 there. Buy some is there. But I don't think it will continue or not. It depends for the next minutes, 7 minutes. Mm-hmm. 6 minutes. Oh well, probably will confirm the long position, but I'm not sure, to be honest. To open it here, it depends of this candle. This candle is looking good. So again, the thing what I don't like at this point is this the market. What we have the last 5 candles. A spike here, a spike here, then spikes, 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 and pure spikes, and that's all. And now we're having again high volatility into the zone. 2 3 candles for 80 pips. So probably it's going to be very difficult to clarify that positions, guys. Really, really difficult. So let's see. I'm waiting. Going back to the sell zone and waterfall. That's a possibility too. Going back to the sell zone and waterfall. Yes, doesn't looks like a good trading session. The candles, crazy news. I am, so stay with up and down, and that's all. If you don't like this channel, just stay with that channel. That's all. As simple as that. I'm waiting, guys. Nothing to tell. Just here at this moment. I'm waiting. Okay. We got existing home sales, and other rates, but I don't remember it. But we have many information, and it was positive for the USD. And yes, Forex Factory is an option to clarify the position. Okay. So well, this I discard the long position Nasdaq for today. Uh, well, now it's your patience. Well, the 1 hour candle ends as a doji during the session in 1 hour. So now it's time to define if we can continue with the sell or we will open a long. That's another possibility. Let's see. Let's see. The thing is with the long, at this point, the price confirms us into the long position there. So well, let me clean here. I would try again if just if the price go to the 46.13 short position here. So this is the two options. Let's see. $14. This moment we're in the middle of these candles. I'm from Costa Rica. Here's DJ Crazy. Pierre. Excelente, Bolivia. Lindo país. Leticia, estamos esperando. Estamos más cerca de la compra a este momento, pero la idea inicial era una venta. No estoy muy seguro. Vamos a ver qué nos dejan las próximas horas. Bueno, los próximos minutos, porque está devolviéndose. Welcome, Jane. Okay, retracement. Okay, let's see if we got something good into the to this retracement. We need to wait the the consolidation there. Okay, just we need 2-3 candles more. Well, one candle more for give us the 46.15. That's a good point. But of course, we need the price to stay there. Just don't go like that. Mhm. Mhm. Finally, good retracement. This is the last candle in 15 minutes, so that's great. So let's see. The ones who are okay with the loan, I will prepare the loan position. We prepare the loan position. The others, if you don't like it, just don't follow me. As simple as that. Okay, just we need one retest more in 46.15. 46.68 is not the best point. Okay, 46.17. Mm-hmm. 46.19. Mm-hmm. 46.17. $16. Consolidation is still there. But at least I'm looking for 46.15. 46.14 is a good point too. But I don't want to happen the things what happened to the last sessions. I opened the trade in 46.16 and then the price ends in 46.18, for example. So for that reason, I'm waiting there. We got that nice consolidation near to 46.17. Okay, ATM. Looks great. So well, we lose the opportunity, I think. Just if the price go back a little now, it's testing the height, so it's a possibility to go back. The little microstructure in 1 minute is not, well, no, it's taken now. It's passing the 46.20. So let's see. This type of market. It's beautiful, but at the end, it's like not the best option, you know. Yes, come on. Qué mierda de mercado. Sí. Ok, voy. So well, we lose the opportunity. Let's see what happened with the short position. Okay. So well, I'll be back. I'm going to eat my breakfast. I'm back to take something. So well, still there. Normal reactions. Perfect. Good. Retracement. Going back to our original point. Now we need something good. What's something good? Just 2-3 candles into the same point. Let's see. Zero that 5 still there, giving us something good. Let's see the next candle. Mm-hmm. 46.17. 46.16. Okay. Let's see the last candle here. Let's pray for you to stay near to 46.16. Good. And it's right there. Reaction 16. 15. It's pretty nice. Good option. Okay, the price ends in 46.15. Let's see what we have. This moment it can happen many things. So point of entry is 46.14. 23. Stop loss 46. 46.9. 46.21. TP3. 46. 24. 46.30. Little reactions for buyers, but not that much. Still there into the point of entry. Let's see what happened. Remember, the stop loss is 46.08.20, no more than that. There is the position. Let's see what happened. Working as fast as I can. So, well, there is the position. Let's see the next candles. We need to stay there up to the 0.5. That's really important. Testing the 46.13. Let's see what we have in the next minutes. We have a point of interaction 46.10. It's a good point. But of course, I don't want to see 46.10. So let's see. Price still there. Testing lower prices. Remember, the stop is 46.0208.20, no more than that. Why? Because if we lose the point 46.10, probably the price will go back more. So be clear of that, okay? The most important thing here is the stop loss. If you don't like your stop loss, this is not your place. I invite you to just get out of the channel if you don't like the stops. Buyers trying to continue near to the 46.14. Okay, testing again. 46.11. $46.12. Last point of reaction is 46.10. Of course, I don't want to see that point. Price is trying to stay there, but not too much successful. 46.10 now. So let's see. Pero sé que estoy vivo y me sigo otro lugar. So good. But we need more. We need more pressure for buyers. So we're trying to go back again. Just waiting. This time, you calling me by my name. and satellites. So well, trying to continue near to the point of entry. If you don't like the trade, if you don't like the, if you don't receive the pressure, just close the position. If you understand we are doing trading, even in this point, we can go straight to the TP2, TP3, or we can go straight to the stop loss, of course. If you don't understand that, I invite you just get out of the trade. If you understand, we're doing trading and this is difficult. This is very difficult. So continue with me. Okay. Let's see what happened. This is the first step. Break the 46.15. Let's see what happened for the next 6 candles. It's important. It's important. The last 6 candles always is important. So let's see what we have, if we have something important or not. At this point, probably many people of here it's in positive, but nothing to celebrate. We need more, more, and more, and push more for break the 46.20. 46.20. So let's see. Let's see. Again, 46.12. Losing again the 46.12, testing the 46.10. That's really important point. If we lose the 46.10, we will see the stop. So at this moment, difficult. Again, hard reaction. Buyers is a must to defend that point, 46.10. Not looking good. It looks good. Trying to go back. Survive for some pips. Let's see if the next 4 candles, yes, 4 candles, we can see something good or not. It depends of the reactions. As I told you, high volatility, difficult positions, almost touch the stop loss. So let's see. Trying to go back to the point of entry. Last 3 minutes. I believe. We need to break the 46.15 if you want to continue. Let's see the last two candles. It's really important to continue like this. This is the last point. This is the last candle. We need to break that point or stay near to 46.16. So well, stay there. Okay, perfect. The candle ends with a nice reaction. 10 minutes ends with a nice body. 5 minutes ends with a nice body too. Let's see. Again, nothing to celebrate. We need to stay focused and hit the targets first. Almost TP1. Let's see. Just some pips more. Four pips more. Well, no, 2 pips more. Now it's 10 pips. Okay, 10 pips. 9 pips. Let's see if we're going to see something good or not. reaction. And what happened here? Why these reactions? Why the price is still there? It's basically for the 0.5. We need to break the 0.5 if we want to continue. So let's see. Losing the point. Active sellers. Waiting. The first 5 candles almost done for this candle for 15 minutes. So let's see. Pure patience. Even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss in one candle inclusive. So be clear of that. Be clear of that. If you are afraid, if you don't receive the pressure, or you take a position with not in a good point, or just taking many entries and you're in positive, take advantage of that. The others who understand the strategy, to understand we're doing trading here, you can continue. And the most important thing, the others who understand the stop loss. For one reason, the stop loss is there. If you don't understand the stop loss, if you don't like the stop loss, this is not your channel. So still there into the 46.15. We got the beautiful structure in 5 minutes and 10 minutes, but we need volume in 15 minutes. For continued changing the structure, we need to see something good in 15 minutes with some volume. So for that reason, this candle, it's really, really important. Testing again the point of entry. $46.15. $46.12 again. Hard reaction for the sellers. Testing again the 46.10. 46.11. $46.10. Again, the last point of reaction is now. So if we want to see something good, is this candle or the next one. If not, we will touch the stop. Okay, 46.10. Let's see if buyers can give us something. It's important to do it. 4610 is still there trying to resist. Okay, the price give us again a good reaction at 4610. Let's see it finally it's going to give us something good or not. Again, this is the type of market what we have. What type of market? Pure spikes. Pure spikes. It's a difficult one. It's a difficult one. Now we are in positive again. So again, if you don't receive the pressure, you know the steps. If you can resist the pressure, the stress, you know the steps too. So I'm still holding. Still holding my position. My position. Whatever it happens, it's okay. Let's see what we have. Going back to the 4610 12 again. This is the last 4 minutes. Important 4 minutes. We need to break the 4618. That's the deal at this point. This is the last 3 minutes. We need to continue like this. Let's see what happened for this 2 minutes more. 2 minutes more. This is the last candle. $46.15. Feel Mary. That's the same there in 46.18. 46.18. Going back again. So stay as a doji. Let's see the reactions for the next candles. Point of entry. Going back to 46.12 again. Let's see if the next 5 minutes can give us something good. Stay into the point of entry. We need more. I prefer to stay there into the next 10 minutes and then the last 5 give us a really good volume. Well, let's see. Again, testing the 46.11. We need to see something good again. $46.12. Let's see the pressure continue for the sellers so hard. So everything can happen at this point. Really important point, the 46.12. Okay, trying to go back to the point of entry. That's great. The minutes. Again, some reaction for buyers, but that is not enough. Trying to stay there. But again, testing the 46.11 with a candle for 20 pips. Hmm, 46.10. And it looks like a massive candle. Looks really, really strong for around 40 pips. So probably this is the last candle. If we don't see a good reaction in the next seconds, it's going to be difficult. Trying to survive a little the buyers in 46.10. But that is not enough. It's the middle of the candle. It's not compared for the last candle. It did 45 pips in one candle for sellers. The next two candles, it's really important. If we want to continue, we need to see some process in green. But at this moment, looks really, really difficult. With a full volume, That candle was a full volume, and that's all for the position, guys. The position was taken. The position was taken. Difficult one. Not really good. So this is the third trade in Tokyo session where it gives us a stop. So that means no trades for 60. Uh-huh. 62. This is 12. We try our best there. It wasn't enough. Give us some really good reactions for buyers first, then a reaction for sellers. One candle for around 45 pips. Indicate the position. So please respect the stop loss. The stop loss is there. Don't take positions. Stop hit. The stop loss is there, guys. Don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. Why? Because now we are losing the 4610. We are losing the 4610, so probably we will see lower prices around 46, 80, something like this. So please don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. Not a good options for gold this week. Yesterday, one full take profit for Tokyo session. But again, it's not enough. Today we try to do something good. Minus 60 pips. So the counter continue like this. Nasdaq giving us the best results for the week. 273 pips. And Dow Jones 133 pips in positive. Gold is still in positive, but not that much. So difficult positions in gold, guys. Okay. So well, just my only request is respect the stop loss, please. Respect it. Respect the stop loss. Respect the stop loss. It's really important to and well, that's the reactions for today. Today we got this not that good not that good, like reactions for both sides at the end. Sellers won this process. So well, let's see. Short rocket, my friend. Don't do the spam. Don't do the spam. Okay. Abdullah, so if you have bad experience, so no reason to stay here. No reason to stay here. Nothing here. See no trend and confirmation yet. I lose $490. Sorry, my friend, for that. It was good for me. Well, Khaled, if you close the trade early, perfect. So that's great. Good. And well, remember, if you are working for, as a prop firm as me, well, just go into the profitmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts for right now for the new year weeks. There you will see a really good options and a really good discounts, guys. So just click into the link. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat, guys. So well, the stop is there. Nothing to do, guys. I'm not going to take any more positions for New York session. Trade has been a roller coaster since yesterday. Yes, something is happening, with the news today. It gives us that reactions like this for both sides. Well, finally, at this point, the buyers trying to defend the 4610, but let's see. Let's see. First scan of reaction versus gap, never okay. Life, $75. So yes. So well, guys, tomorrow I will continue, but no more trades by gold this for the New York session. Why? Because if I've touched 3 stops in a row in one session, that means in a week I'm going to stop because no reason to continue. So for today, I will continue with Tokyo session with no issues with the people into the Telegram. But tomorrow, probably, I'm just going to take positions in New York session for Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Probably that too. It depends. It depends of what I see, into the into the into the into the session there. So well, and the ones who trade with us tomorrow, because if gold is not for it's not for the for trade, I'm going to do any session. Yes, so I'll be back here next Friday, I think. Next Friday, and I will continue tomorrow with the people into the Discord and Telegram with Nasdaq Dow Jones, and today in some hours in Tokyo session I will continue with gold. If I touch and stop in gold in New York, sorry, in Tokyo session, I would stop too. No more trades for gold this week. And well, so just back next Friday. Next Friday. I buy still run in. Okay, I got to buy in 4608. Take care, my friend. Take care of that positions. Again, 4610 is already done. So on the stop loss, give us something, and that something is like we need to stop there. Next Monday is it's a holiday in United States, so no Tokyo session. So I'm going to go back here for next Friday. Next Friday. So well, guys, sorry for the ones who lose some money. This is part of trading. Lose is part of our deal. The only thing what we need to never is going to be acceptable is change the stop loss. And well, for that reason, don't hold positions. Don't hold positions. So I'll see you guys. The ones who wants to continue in Tokyo session, I will be in Tokyo session back here on Friday. Tomorrow, just by Discord for the Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Perfect. So well, guys, see you soon. Thanks for your time. Sorry for the bad results. It happens. So see you soon. Take care and don't hold positions in negative, please.